The key to a polished-looking garden is a neat, well-maintained lawn. The new ONE+ hybrid grass trimmer and edger from Ryobi will help keep your garden ready for any backyard barbecue. Ryobi's hybrid trimmer is unique in that it's a cordless product with unlimited runtime. You have complete cordless freedom to go anywhere in your garden while operating it with a battery. But if you run out of charge, or simply prefer to work with a cable, you can easily operate it with an extension cable, giving you the best of both worlds. You can trim areas your mower left untouched, like near a tree or a mailbox post. The head pivots to 3 different angles, allowing you a convenient way to trim under obstacles like benches or shrubbery. This trimmer has an adjustable cutting diameter of 25 centimeters or 30 centimeters. If you want to complete a job quickly, use the 30 centimeter setting. To preserve battery life, use the 25 centimeter setting. It cuts with a 1.6 millimeter line for a clean finish, and the line automatically feeds out of the spool. No bumping required. After cutting, release the trigger, then depress again for a few seconds to allow the line to come out further. Now you're able to continue cutting. For an even crisper looking garden, edging is a key task. Easily change this tool from trimming to edging mode by pushing this button and rotating the boom. Now, all you need to do is run the edger against the edge of your lawn in order to create a precise straight line. If you're going to be using this hybrid trimmer for a long time, you're going to want to be comfortable. So, we've designed it with ergonomics in mind. Overmold on both handles ensures your hands are comfortable. The boom is extendable, so no matter what your height, you can adjust it to a comfortable length. Simply unlatch, adjust the length, and then lock into place. The secondary handle is also adjustable to your preferences. The all-metal boom ensures it's durable enough to last for years of keeping your garden looking its best. If you're new to the ONE+ system, or simply want more batteries, the hybrid trimmer is available in a kit. As part of the ONE+ system of over 70 great tools for the home and garden, this ONE+ hybrid grass trimmer and edger will work with any ONE+ battery.